guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about diseases of silkworm. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So there are different diseases in silkworm. First one is grassery. The causative agent of this disease is a virus. Which virus? Nuclear polyhedrosis virus. Sources of infection. So how infection occurs? Feeding of larvae with infected, contaminated mulberry leaves is the primary reason. Then poor ventilation, improper bed cleaning, overcrowding of larvae, accumulation of feces. These are different causes. Symptoms. Sluggish movement in larva. Sluggish movement means very slow movement. Skin of the larva turns shiny and yellowish, and the larval skin becomes fragile and it breaks easily. Larva fails to move and eventually dies. Okay, then the management. So it is necessary to disinfect the appliances and rearing house. Accumulation of excreta on the rearing bed is to be cleaned. Infected larvae should be separated and destroyed. Otherwise, they will cause infection in other larvae. Avoid overcrowding of larvae. Maintain proper temperature and humidity of rearing house. Next disease is flatchery. So the causative agents of this disease are both virus and bacteria. Named Bombyx mori infectious flatchery virus, and then streptococci, staphylococci, bacilla. So these are bacteria and this is the virus which cause this disease. Sources of infection: feeding of larvae with infected, contaminated mulberry leaves. The gut juice, fecal matter, body fluid and dead infected larvae kept without separation from healthy ones. This is the major cause of this disease. Next symptoms: larva loses its appetite, appears lethargic, becomes soft, shows sluggish movement, very slow movement. Management: maintaining proper hygiene environment in the rearing house. Infected larvae should be separated and destroyed. Maintain proper temperature and humidity of rearing house. Avoid overcrowding of larvae. Next disease is muscardine. So here the causative agent is the fungus named Beauveria species. Sources of infection: infection starts when fungal spores come in contact with worms. And contaminated rearing house, appliances, these are different other causes. Symptoms: larvae lose appetite, become inactive and start vomiting. Dead larva or pupa or adult become hard and mummified. Mummified means their body become hard and dry, and they turn to white color due to the growth of spores and mycelia of the fungus. Management: control the mulberry plants from pests in the plantation area. Avoid low temperature and high humidity of bed in rainy season. Maintain hygiene in rearing house. Infected larvae should be separated and destroyed. And next disease is pebrine. The causative agent is a protozoa named Nosema species. Sources of infection: feces of the infected worm, contact of dead larvae, presence of pathogens on appliances of rearing house, contaminated eggshells and mulberry leaves. Directly transmitted to offspring through infected mother via eggs. Symptoms: egg count of the infected mother will be very less. Only few of the eggs are hatched. Larvae lose appetite, delay to molt. They develop black, dark spots on the body, retarded growth, they can't move, larvae become pale and translucent. Management: examination of mother and disinfection of eggs by treating with 2% formalin, maintaining the hygiene environment. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.